We welcome the call of the Philippine College of Physicians that this matter should be immediately given to our courts and the Ombudsman. We have been saying this for the longest time, and we all know that the Senate cannot prosecute. Mabuti pa ang mga doktor, alam at naintindihan nila. File cases is the right way to go. Stop using this issue in aid of election. Problema kasi sa Senate natin, trying hard maghanap ng mga issue na may nangungurakot o kaya may nakakapera. But up to now, the committee has not really built a case out of the numerous hearings they have conducted. And so we go back now to what has been established many times. Walang overpricing, legal at naging ang proseso, legal ang naging proseso ng pagbili according to what has been provided by Bayanihan 1, na-deliver lahat at binayaran lang pagkatapos na-deliver.